Hi everyone, welcome to VR Kitchen. Today we are going to cook potato and dried sprats curry. Let's check out the ingredients. 100 grams of dried sprats, 2 potatoes, 6 to 7 cloves of garlic, 10 to 12 curry leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 4 green chilies, 2 to 3 pieces of pandan leaves. Pandan leaves add a lovely aroma to our dishes. If you are living overseas, you can usually find frozen or dried pandan leaves at Sri Lankan or Asian grocery stores. We've got half a big onion chopped, or you can go with one small size onion if that is easier. Here are the spices we are adding today. The mix can change a bit depending on the recipe or even the region, like different parts of Sri Lanka or other Asian countries. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder to add some heat. You can adjust the amount depending on how spicy you like it. Add salt to taste. I am going with about a teaspoon. Sprats are already a bit salty, so start light and give it a taste, and at the end you can add more salt if you want. 1 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, little bit of fenugreek. We are adding 3/4 cup of thick coconut milk. Coconut milk adds a rich, velvety touch to dishes, but it is high in saturated fats, which can contribute to elevated cholesterol levels if consumed frequently or in large amounts. That's why we balance it out with ingredients like curry leaves, garlic, and fenugreek. These aren't just flavor boosters, they have been used for generations to support better digestion and blood cholesterol control. If your cholesterol level is already high or borderline, switching to soy or almond milk is a smarter move. They are lighter, plant-based, and still give you that creamy texture without the health trade-off. Throughout our cooking videos, we will be sharing simple health tips to help you boost nutrition without sacrificing the flavor. Wash the sprats with warm water. We need to wash them thoroughly a couple of times. I washed and removed the outer cover of potatoes. Cut the potatoes into bite-sized pieces or how you like it. I prefer small pieces that cook fast. I have already prepared other ingredients as I showed you before. So let's start cooking now. I am adding the sprats, potatoes, onion, garlic, green chilies, curry leaves, and a cinnamon stick. Now I'm going to add the spices. Mix them well. I am adding 2.5 cups of water to cook the potatoes and sprats together. You can see the water level in my video to get a better idea. This is a curry we cook to eat with string hoppers or pittu, so we need more gravy. If you are planning to eat it with rice or naan, better to dry out the gravy at the end. Potatoes need enough water for cooking. We need to cook this for around 15 to 20 minutes. We keep the lid closed to speed up the cooking. Now it's about 15 minutes. I am going to check our curry. It seems the potato is not cooked enough, but almost close. So I am going to cook for another 4 or 5 minutes. cooking time might be vary for you, so it is better to check the texture and decide how long you need to cook further. Let's check if the potato is cooked enough now. Look like it is well cooked. Now I am going to add a 3/4 cup of coconut milk, little less than a cup, around 175 milliliters. Stir well and keep the lid open and cook it for another 2 or 3 minutes until the coconut milk boil well, like in this video. Now our curry is ready to serve. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can keep sharing more delicious moments together. See you in the next video.